Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to install Premiere Pro in your PC. Let's start. First open Chrome browser and type here adobe.com. Click on continue to India. This window will open. Go to creativity and design. Click on it. Click on view plans and pricing. I am shooting video around Black Friday and Adobe is running Black Friday sale. You will get your pack in discounted price. You will see we have four options here: individuals, business, student and teacher, schools and universities. If you are a learner, go for students and teacher, click on it. It will open this tab, type your email ID and press continue. It will ask continue with Google, click on it. After this it will ask for password, type it or reset it if you don't remember. Now fill your card and address detail here. After this press on continue to verification. Now you will see an application is installed in your system, Adobe Creative Cloud. Simply open it, click on all apps and type here which app you want. After this press on this icon install, it will install the app. It will be ready to use after this. If you want the hacked version, you will have to do some research and then you can download it online. Or if you live in Delhi, you know where you have to go. People living in other towns and villages go to cyber cafe where you get movies and video games. Ask him if he has the app or he can download it. This is it for the video guys. Comment your doubts below, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Bye.